All right, Amber, thank you. Strong winds fuel a devastating fire. The flames devoured a home in Topanga Canyon overnight.
And the threat isn't over yet. KCAL News reporter Rick Montanez is live in Malibu, where hundreds have already had their power shut off because of the high fire danger. Rick.
Right, and we can feel these really strong winds here this morning. You could see some of the palm trees behind us blowing around. As you know, Amber was talking about, some conditions actually look pretty nice. I mean, it's a gorgeous sunrise out here this morning, but we're also seeing very dangerous conditions. We're off Las Flores Canyon here off PCH as well, and that neighborhood has no power at the moment, and it's part of SoCal Edison's fire prevention. Dramatic video from that fire overnight. LA County Fire tells me that flames burned through a two-story home on Swenson Drive and then spread to thick brush nearby, charging uphill quickly through a nearby open space. 3.5 acres burned before crews were able to stop the fire from spreading any further. They're not sure of a cause, but with these strong wind gusts and low humidity, firefighters say conditions are prime for out-of-control brush fires, and everyone should be ready for anything, including potential evacuations.
Always be prepared for potential evacuations like this. These high winds are problematic for a lot of different people. Just look at Maui. High winds are critical with low humidity as well as hot temperatures.
And thousands of SoCal Edison's customers are at potential for losing power. You see this map here. This is on the utilities website, and it's an interactive map where you can click around to your neighborhood or any other spots you want to check out. And it shows you where SoCal Edison is looking to potentially shut off power, typically in fire-prone areas. These conditions can change by the minute, so it's difficult to say who exactly will lose power. But when it is shut off, SoCal Edison says it could take up to 8 hours for the power to be restored after the all clear is given. So there is a potential for this to be pretty much long term as they wait to see what these conditions do. We are in red flag warning conditions from now until 6 o'clock tonight. So emergency crews are really hoping that everyone is vigilant and prepared for these very dangerous conditions. Reporting live in Malibu this morning, Rick Montanez, KCAL News.
Rick, thank you.